lovely homes at 5519 Cornish Street in Cottage Grove off I-10 and TC Gesture. And I'm here today to give you guys a little tour. It is one of 4 homes in a gated community. We also have, since we are we're one of the ones towards the back of the home, so we have an extra parking spot, as you see that Infinity there. And this car is extra parking for the other home here. So I'm going to start off and go in the backyard so we can take a look. Okay, so here we are going into the backyard. You can see it's spacious. There's a recently just done patio, so you have some outdoor entertainment space. There is also a large shed that is also movable, as you see here. And the patio entrance goes into one of the bedrooms downstairs, as you see here in that door there goes into the garage. This house is also one of the ones that has the largest lot. It's 3,200 square feet. Not really well known here. It's rare. As you see here, the 2 homes that are in the front. This is our home here, 5519. And then here's another one here. Alright, let's go take a look inside. Alright everyone, let's go inside. This is the beautiful staircase that they recently redid and stained. This is the first bedroom or study. All the rooms have a walk-in closet, as you can see here. This first door here on the right goes into the garage. So being an attached garage, you can come in when it's raining or the weather isn't as great. This is the first bedroom. Got laminate floors. Here's a huge walk-in closet. Plenty of space and storage. Then we come into here, and this is a Jack and Jill restroom. So this restroom is for this bedroom here. Granite countertops, new fixtures, new hardware. This is the bathtub and the shower that goes into the other half of the bathroom with their own sink. Again, granite countertops and fixtures. Here's another large walk-in closet with shelving. And then this goes into the outdoor patio space. Walk back around this way through the second bedroom. Back to go upstairs. There's a nice accent wall here. Stairway going all the way up. They also recently restained their hardwood floor upstairs. We walk here into the gorgeous, huge kitchen with stainless steel appliances. The laundry room is right there to the far right, and the pantry is the door next to it on the left. You see here they have the Carrara marble. Gray cabinets also have been redone, refinished, new hardware, and the beautiful accent cascading all the way to the ceiling, as you see here. It's very unique, not something that you see a lot of. Moving into the living room, to the open floor plan. Beautiful fireplace, vaulted ceilings, lots of windows for natural lighting. Here's the dining room. You see over there in the back far right is the beverage refrigerator. And look at this open floor plan, it's huge. Anywhere you stand, you have a beautiful view. And you see this doorway entry goes into the master bedroom and guest bathroom. Here's the guest bathroom for y'all to take a look at. Also, granite countertops redone here, new fixtures. Here's a spacious master, which right now sits with the queen, so it gives you an idea. You can definitely have a king-size bed in here. A window into the backyard. Master bathroom has been completely redone from floors to the shower. Seamless doors. Accents inside. Granite countertops, new fixtures, new hardware, new light fixtures also, all looking really modern. Here's a huge master walk-in closet with lots of shelving, as you can see, for both him and her. It also has a sensor lighting, so you can just walk in and it turns on. So you don't have to worry about turning it on every time you walk in here. That's a nice feature. And this is the back view into the master bedroom of the bathroom. Vaulted ceilings. Here's our view from the walkway from the master. Huge space, huge. And you have a nice little area for breakfast or just any meals on the side here. This was added, this was not there before. The farmer sink in the kitchen. Microwave and stove. Here's another cabinet for extra space, pantry, or pots and pans. You hear from the laundry room of the kitchen, the living room, and the dining room. Looking down into the stairway. And there you have it. This is 5519 Cornish Street. Come take a look for yourselves, and you know you're going to want to make it your new next home. Let's take a quick walk back downstairs. Here's the front door and foyer area. And there you have it. Hope to see you guys soon.